Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Install OneNote from the Microsoft Store on Windows 11 using your Microsoft account. Open the app and follow prompts to sign in. Sign in to OneDrive to sync notebooks automatically across devices. Create a new notebook and name it clearly for the project. OneNote organizes notes into notebooks, sections, and pages for structured work. Use descriptive section names to find content quickly. Adjust sync settings in Settings to control cellular and background sync frequency. Close the app when finished. Sync completes in the background automatically. Press Ctrl+N to add a new page and start typing immediately. Use the toolbar to apply bold, italic, bullets, and headings visually. Create lists with bullets or numbered formats for clear tasks. Insert images, files, and audio recordings directly into pages for context. Drag and drop a file to attach it to a page for quick reference. Resize images and move text boxes with your mouse for layout control. Use Find to search across notebooks instantly. Pin important pages to your Start menu for fast access when needed. Use a digital pen to draw, annotate, and write with pressure sensitivity. Switch to draw mode to select pen tip, thickness, and color options. Convert handwriting to typed text when you need editable content. Share a notebook via OneDrive link and set view or edit permissions for collaborators. Use co-authoring to edit with others in real time while syncing changes. Use tags like To Do and Important to track tasks and priorities across pages. Export a page or section as PDF when you need portable copies for meetings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.